Hello and welcome back. What is crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. What is tilling? The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or plowing. In India, crops can be broadly categorized into two types based on seasons, that is Rabi and Kharif crops. This statement is true. It is necessary to prepare soil by tilling and leveling. Plows and levelers are used for this purpose. Correct. Sowing of seeds at appropriate depths and distances give good yield. Good variety of seeds are sown after selection of healthy seeds. Sowing is done by seed drills. So this statement is true. Soil needs replenishment and enrichment through the use of organic manure and fertilizers. Use of chemical fertilizers has increased tremendously with the introduction of new crop varieties. This statement is true. What is the preparation of soil? Few inches of the topsoil are loosened and turned, plowing and tilling. Weeds are removed from the soil before sowing the seeds. Plowed field has big soil pieces, crumbs which are broken by planks. Field is leveled for sowing. What is irrigation? Supply of water to crops at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. What are weeds? Weeding involves removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants called weeds. Harvesting is the cutting of manure crop manually or by machines. So this statement is true. What is threshing? Separation of the grains from the chaff is called threshing. ये हम लोगों ने पहले भी देखा था. Proper storage of grains is necessary to protect them from pests and microorganisms. This statement is true. What is animal husbandry? Food is obtained from animals for which the animals are reared. This is called animal husbandry. What is fertilizer? The inorganic compounds containing nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, NPK. They are made in the factories, example urea, ammonium sulfate, potash, etc. What is cultivator? Used for plowing the soil and is driven by a tractor. This helps to save time and labor. What is hoe? Used for loosening the soil and for removing weeds. Hoe is used for loosening the soil and for removing the weeds. What is the method of irrigation? Traditional methods of irrigation is moat, chain pump, dheki, rahat, and modern methods of irrigation, sprinkler system, drip system. What is harvesting? The cutting and collecting of the matured crops from the fields. Harvesting in our country is either done manually by sickle or by machine called harvester. What is storage? Harvested food grains normally contain more moisture than required for storage. Large scale of storage of grains is done in silos and granaries in order to protect them from the pests like rats and insects. Farmers store grains in jute bags or metallic bins. What is manure? A natural substance prepared from decomposition of plant and animal wastes, cow dung, animal bones, dead leaves, dead insects, vegetable wastes by the action of microbes. ये सारी चीज़ें बेसिक चीज़ें हैं, बचपन में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है. एक बार रीडिंग देना थोड़ा अच्छा होता है. तो हम लोगों ने ये क्लास 8 चैप्टर 1 क्रॉप एंड प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट कर लिया. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.